Brown your 1 pound of ground beef and then add your taco seasoning. After your meat is browned and you've added your taco spice mixture, you then dice your tomatoes and your lettuce, add 1 cup of cheese and your meat. After you've mixed the ingredients, we're then going to add the ingredients that make this taco salad different from most. First off, we use nacho flavored corn chips and we crush them. Add your ground corn chips to the mix, and then we use a sweet and tangy French style dressing to top it all off. And there you have it, your sweet and tangy nacho taco salad.